Hello everyone, my name is Mystical Fire and today we're going to be learning how to make a really simple symmetrical logo in Photoshop. So mainly in this video we're going to be using just one simple tool, and that is the Polygon lasso tool. It's right here for those beginners that want to know where it is. It's right here. Yep. For those beginners that just started out, you might get this lasso tool at first, so you're gonna right click it and then select Polygon lasso tool. Okay, and then we're gonna start off with by a file, new, and then I'm gonna be taking 1000 by 1000 pixels and name it logo. So let's color it black, and then let's start by making a new layer, which you can do by clicking it right there where my mouse is. Alright, we just created a new layer, and then how do we use the Polygon lasso tool? Okay, now this is mainly a tool used for selection. Something like this, you can select the parts you just clicked. So what I'm gonna do today is make a logo involving letters. So I'm not gonna type a font, so I'm just gonna craft a font out of this Polygon lasso tool. So my name is Mystical Fire, so I'm probably gonna create a logo that consists of the letter M. So let's start by making a simple M using this tool. Nice and easy, pretty simple. It doesn't have to be exactly accurate, so you don't really have to worry about that. uh, you might just roll with it. Probably right there. Yep, I guess. And there we go. I just created a M out of my Polygon lasso tool. So what I'm gonna do is color it by using the paint bucket tool. Let's color it blue for now. I might probably change it later. This It doesn't look that nice, so I might as well change it. Let's see. I can't really find. Okay, this one's okay. This one's pretty good. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do is take my lasso tool right here and then do this. Watch carefully. Oh wait, probably from here. Yeah. Alright, I just selected a part of my M, and what I'm gonna do is now press shift plus shift plus alternate and just drag this down to make it a bit smaller, and then drag it a bit down right here. Alright, and then press this tick mark right here, and there we go. I just designed it in a bit different way and it looks good, right? At least for a logo that you just made out of the Polygon lasso tool. So what I'm gonna do is change the color of this part, and that part of the M which is just cropped out. So I deselected it just a while ago, so I'm just gonna press Control plus Alternate plus Z to select it back. And what I'm gonna do now is separate it at a different layer. What I'm gonna do is press Control plus X and paste it back and place it where it was. You might as well use the arrow keys if you are not that comfortable with the handlebar and stuff. So now I'm gonna press Control plus L, and this will load out the levels. So there are the input levels. I'm just gonna drag this a bit higher or down and then press OK. Now it looks good, right? Yep. And we can do many things with this as long you have the Polygon lasso tool. The next thing I'm gonna do is just create a new layer once again, and then probably just create a V-shaped structure out of this, the guidelines that I am providing me with. Yep. And then to color this, let's go with some probably gray. Yep, let's go with gray. And yeah, and this is how you can create like amazing things with just the lasso tool. What else can we add to this logo? Let's see. We already created a V. Let's add to try to add a bigger V. So what I'm gonna do is just click here, and this time it's a bit different, something like this. It's a bit difficult to know where I just placed it on the other side, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be that accurate, at least for a tutorial logo. And I'm sorry if I'm not like being focused or something. Okay, there we go. I just selected a V-shaped structure, and then as usual I'm gonna create a new layer, and then choose a color of my choice. Yep, let's stick with V for now. And then now I'm gonna do something mm, a bit hard for beginners here. It's not that hard, it's easy, it's quite simple. So what I'm gonna do is go to my M layer right here. It's right here, my M layer. And then in the thumbnail part, I'm just gonna right click it and then click select pixels. This will select the pixels of the M I just created a while ago. And then what I'm gonna do is go to the select tab right here, and then modify, expand, and let's expand it by like 6 pixels. Okay, yep, that looks pretty good. Now what I'm gonna do is go back to my V-shaped layer, the one I just made, this big one. That's layer 5. And then once I'm there, I'm just gonna press delete. Yep, something like that. And what will happen is it will remove the part that was selected from the M, and it will give some like an abstract kind of look to your logo. And now it looks pretty good, right? I don't want to make the video longer than this, so I'm just gonna stop here for the shape of the M or logo. But you can surely create many other stuff using this steps probably. You just have to play with the Polygon tool and you're gonna get great stuff. So about the color now, let's move on to the color. Of course the logo looks as good as it is now, but let's add some more things to it, like difference in colors and stuff. So I'm just gonna go to my M layer, use the polygon tool as usual, and just make a shape out of here. Just simply make a shape out of here. I just selected this part of the M, and what I'm gonna do is press Ctrl plus U this time, and it will load hue and saturation. And then what we're gonna do is just drag this and choose a color of our choice, a bit green. Yep, looks great, doesn't it? Gives that some kind of shiny look or an abstract kind of look. And we're gonna do the same thing with this part of the M as well. Let's see what color we can take now. Probably a violet type of M. Yep. And then we can also edit the smaller M, which is cropped out of the bigger M, just to give it a fine look. And this time what I did was load levels and increase the brightness. Yep. And of course you can also edit the V we just created a while ago. I'm just gonna select this parts of the V and press Ctrl plus L. Now listen carefully. The hue and saturation options don't work on black and white. I can show you. It doesn't work on black and white. So what I'm gonna do is just go to levels, Ctrl plus L once again, and probably decrease the brightness here, and this is what we get. So yeah, you can create like really good stuff just using these simple tools. It's quite easy. So that pretty much sums up this video. And if you enjoyed watching this, please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. It's a new channel and I'm gonna be uploading like new videos every week. So thanks for watching, guys.